Hello everyone, welcome to day in additional in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, January the 9th, 2021. We have here one Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 3 stars. 4 stars, one tectonic with 1 star, one tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have a binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all on one day. I only do 4 today and maybe tomorrow on Sunday the rest of the puzzles, but cannot promise you. I need to have some spare time to solve them, but first these 4 Sudokus, the 3 stars I will solve, the 4 stars I will solve, one tectonic and one binary, and the first Sudoku will be number 2 1 3 6. All right, a 3-star Sudoku. And before I start, I always count, print the digits. Let me do this. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 2 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. The 3-star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. I see here 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. The 2, okay. Alright. How about these 5 missing numbers? These 5 missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then how about 4, 6, 7? Yeah. 8, 8. Yeah. Let me think. 7, 3, and 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers in the first column are the 3, the 7, and the 8. We see here the 7 and the 8 in the third row, so no 7 and an 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this first column for the number 3. All right. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 4. All right. Then. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, a 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. And then 4, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the third row is the number 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the third row for the number 9. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Number 2. Yes. 2 digits now. I have completed the 2 and the 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 7. 1 box left in the second row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. Can I fill this yet? No. Need to wait. 5, 7, 3. Okay. How about 3, 8, 4? 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 numbers. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 8. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 6, 7, 9. Then, how about 7, 8? We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing in this big square. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be here. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3-star Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.